What's this? Water in the road. Road flooded. Oh, I live for this. This is what oh wow. Oh, just a little bit? Yeah, it's on the pavement. Why bother? We'll take her on through here. Oh, she is a little deep there, bud. Just a slightly bit deep. Make way for these little cars behind me. Nothing, I drove this thing to the creek. I don't know what a creek is. I know what a creek is. I went through yesterday, but it was not raining like it is today. Get to wash my rims off, wash the undercarriage off, might have to work on it, I don't know. Little degrease, a little bit of fresh water. Oh, that's enough fun for now. See if there's any more fun to be had.